Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Toyota Rav4. 2 owners only, in excellent condition and fully serviced at the official dealer with records. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. Looks absolutely superb in black color. I really love how Toyota Rav4 has such a masculine look from the front and from the side. Really such a manly car. Just have a look at this. I've said this before and I say it again. Between Harrier and Toyota Rav4, I will always pick the Rav4 in terms of looks. Just have a look at how shiny this car is. Absolutely fantastic condition for its age. The previous owner really loved this car a lot and taken excellent care of it. Behind we have dual exhaust exit. As usual, let's check out the boot space. We have fully electric tailgate and a massive boot space. As you guys can see, can put so many things here. Also we have a cover if you want to use that, and this thing is aftermarket so that you easier to load things, and if anything spill, very easy to clean. Also give you for free. Let's close this. Behind, massive room for your rear passengers. Can really sit here very comfortably. Leather in mega fantastic condition. It is nice and soft. Comes with very nice stitching as well. And of course we have rear passenger aircon and even charging ports for you to charge your electronics. And now let's go in. All right, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very spacious and good looking cabin. We have multifunctional steering wheel. Of course it's full leather underneath the cover. Very beautiful speedometer cluster. I like how there is a display in the middle and there are physical arrows for other things. Touchscreen infotainment screen with a super clear reverse camera, of course. Your aircon controls are here, simple and intuitive. This is a charging pad, wireless charging pad for your phone, and couple more ports over there. Electric parking brake, auto hold function, and different mode selection. We have economy, normal, and sport. One cool thing I show you, okay, now it's in economy. When I put to normal or I put to sport, the speedometer cluster color will change accordingly. Very cool. I like it in sport, red color, very nice. Beautiful leather boot on your gear selector. Here you can place your key if you wish to. Very comfortable for your elbow, this leather. Look at the condition of the seats. Absolutely excellent. And also driver side seat is fully electric. And over here we also have place to store your sunglasses, and we have memory settings also for your driver's seat. All right, have another look. All right guys, in terms of COE, this car still got 3 years and 9 months left. Perfect for you to enjoy. As I already said earlier, fully serviced at the official dealer, Borneo Motors. So car runs as good as new. This unit is available daily for viewing in our showroom. You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.